Hi, this is just a quick video to show you how to use Simplify on two devices, where one of those devices is a smartphone. This is a really useful way of using Simplify in face-to-face sessions because it means that you can run the activity and make changes in a very subtle way on a much smaller device. You can have it tucked down on your lap, it can just be beside you on the desk, and it means the focus is really on the bigger device that your client is using. It also means that you can get around issues with connectivity. So if for any reason you are unable to connect your second device to the network where you are, if it's a security issue, you can just run it using your phone's data. You don't need to be on the same network to do this, so it doesn't matter if one device is on the Wi-Fi and one's using the phone data, as long as both are using the same Simplify account. And there are two ways that you can do this. So the first, which is the more straightforward way that you would do it on two devices in a face-to-face situation. Let's imagine that this screen on the left is your mobile device, your mobile phone, sorry, and the screen on the right is the device that your client will be using. That can be any device, so it could be a tablet, it could be a laptop, it could be a desktop, it could be a smartboard, anything. So we're going to log in on your phone first. So you just go to simplify.co.uk, log into your account. And then on here, we are going to load up an activity. So you'll go to the hammer icon, which is the activity manager, and choose the activity you want to load or create a new activity. I'm just going to load up our Lego therapy activity that's available to everybody on Simplify Activities. So that's now running on your phone. So you've got the runner there where you can add and remove symbols and make changes to the activity. So you now need to go over to your client's device where you want to play the game. So again, you'll just log in on here. But this time we're going to open the playground. So this is the rocket icon. It's here on the sidebar or it's over here on the dashboard. That then opens up the activity on your client's device. Just wait for that to load up. There it is. So that's method one. Method two uses Simplify Live. So this is the system that you'll use generally for teletherapy, where you don't have access to the second device in order to log into your account. But you can also use it in face-to-face if for any reason you don't want to put your Simplify login details into the second device. So if it's a client's personal device or you're in, say, a school setting where you'd rather not put in your login details, this is an alternative way of doing it. So on your client's device, you're just going to go to simplify.live. And that loads up this screen with a box to add in the live code. So on your mobile, you're going to scroll down to this activity box and you're going to hit the Go Live button. That then gives you a code that you can put in on the client's device to access just this game that you've got running. So it won't give them access to anything else on your Simplify account, and you can cancel it or close it at any time you like. So we're just going to put in that code and join the activity. And then again, that's brought up the activity for you there. And it works in exactly the same way, so your client can use it just as before. And then when you've finished, you just need to hit End Live Session over here. And that then takes the client's device back to that page and they can't access the game anymore. And when it is accessible, they can't access any other parts of your Simplify account. So they can't get onto your lists, they can't see your settings or anything. It's just the playground that it gives them the access to for the current game that you've got running. So it's very secure. So that's the two ways of using Simplify on two devices where one of them is a smartphone. Have fun and get in touch if you have any queries or any feedback on hello@simplify.co.uk. See you later, Laminator!